Today we're going to be replacing the old pump that has failed. It's cleaner in there, it's drier in there, with this new one. Slightly bigger. Good mate, go on first, good mate. With this one here. And I've brought Faithful with me. Alright, so these are the contents. So, all different size outlets, inlets, manual, cable, 3-core, and this is the bad boy. This is what we have. Single phase, IP44. Let's go. Okay, so we're done. So now it's a moment of truth and testing. So we like to give it a live test. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour water down here. That will then fill up the reservoir, and then we're going to hear the pump going on. Let's go. So it's nice. There we go.